So in this lecture we are going to see the conversion from one number system to another number system. So we'll take the first one, that is conversion from decimal number system to binary number system. Now again, when we consider a decimal number, it is going to have a integer part and a fractional part, as we have already discussed. Now how to convert an integer part into the binary? You have to take a number, like here it is, example is 25, and keep on dividing by 2. So you will get a quotient here, and on the right hand side you have to write a remainder. So like 25 divided by 2 is 12, so remainder is 1. Again it is divided by 2, quotient is 6, remainder is 0. So like this you have to keep on dividing till you are not able to divide it. Like here 1 cannot be divided by 2, so that's why that 0 is written. And that 1, since you cannot divide it by 2, that 1 has to be moved at the last. Now while writing the answer, remember this arrow. This arrow is from bottom to top, meaning when you are writing the sequence of answer binary number, you have to write from below to top. So your binary number, that is 25, is a decimal number, and its equivalent binary number is 1 1 0 0 1. So that is 1 1 0 0 1. So don't forget to transfer the last one, which comes as a remainder, because you cannot divide it by 2. This is the way you should do it. So 25 divided by 2, and keep on divide by 2, and the right hand side you have to write this 1 is transferred here, and see the arrow from bottom to top. So it is always read up. Now that was about the integer part. Now let's convert the fractional part of a decimal number into the binary equivalent. What you have to do is take the fractional part. Now for example here you need to convert 0.188 into its equivalent binary. You have to take 0.188 and multiply it by 2. Keep on multiplying by 2. So into 2 you have got 0.376. Remove this 0 and keep it aside. Carry this 0.376 into 2 again forward and multiply it by 2. You have got again 0.752. So again that 0 is removed, kept aside. Now take that 0.752 into 2. You will get answer 1.504. Remove this 1 at the side. Take that 0.504 ahead, multiply it by 2, and keep on doing this unless and until you have to get a 0. Sometimes you don't get 0, okay, you continuously get, the pattern gets repeated, so you can calculate it for 5 to 6 digits, and this becomes your MSB, and you have to follow a while writing from top to down. So answer is 0.00110, which is this decimal point. This decimal point is because of it was already there in the question. So because you converted 0.188 into its binary, so that point will be always there. Now you have to combine both integral and fractional part of the binary number. So for example, see here, convert 25.625 is a decimal number, because by looking at the base 10 you can make out that this is a decimal number. You have to convert this into a binary number. So what you will do, you will take a 25, it's an integer part, keep on dividing by 2, this is a quotient, this is a remainder. You have to go from below to top. So it is 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. This is a binary equivalent of 25. Take the fractional part, 0.625. You have to multiply, keep on multiplying by 2 unless you get 0, until you get 0, and then write down the answer as it is, these carries. Okay, so it is 1 0 1. So the full, and then combine both the integer part and the fractional part. So this answer point, that is this is that point, and 1 0 1. So this is how you convert a decimal number into a binary number, both integer part as well as the fractional part. Thank you.